birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have.
Happy 50th birthday, parang Alan Batas. Wishing you unlimited birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday, pare. God bless.
Lan, happy 50th birthday kaya ka. Sana kumaba pa yung bihe mo. At takal ka pa sana ng lahi. Happy birthday na muli na. Ingat na lagi, Jen.
Lan, happy 50th birthday. Sana maba ka pa di.
Pre, happy 50th birthday. May anak na ka na naman itsura kanyan. Happy birthday, pre, ha?
Happy birthday, Alan! I hope you enjoy your special day. May all your dreams come true. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, pre!
Happy birthday, Ninong.
Happy birthday, Ko Alan.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come.
Happy birthday, Tito Alan! Sana magkaapo ka na.
Hi Tito, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo at suporta sa akin, sa amin. Today, I'm happy that you reached your 50. Hindi halata. Sana mag-enjoy ka lang lagi and more blessings to you. Thank you sa lahat, lalo na pag nagkakasakit si Yana at si Ajin. Thank you. God bless.
Lan, happy birthday.
Balita ko, mag-birthday kaya. Happy birthday, Boss Alan Moro. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tol! Sana humaba pang mahabang buhay mo. Pero wala nang pag-asang tumangkad ka pa.
Dad, game.
Tol, happy birthday. Sana, gusto kaya ka may kwarta ka lalo.
Happy birthday, Tol.
Tol. Pakasama mo na rin pamilya mo, Tol. Alalayan mo kong biyeda. Happy birthday ulit, Tol, na Tol. Salamat, Tol.
Happy birthday, kapatid. Wish ko lang, bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni Lord at maraming blessing.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Stay safe and healthy.
God bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true.
Rodrigo. Happy birthday, Papa!
Love you! Stay healthy!
Love you! Sasabihin mo lang.
Gagalit!
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come.
Happy birthday to you. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다.